Welcome back, guys. We were discussing the core 3 questions, and now in the second part of the video, here we will discuss about charging maintenance. First, let's discuss charging. Here's the good news. If your home or workplace gets 18 plus hours of power daily, you will be able to charge your EV. And you know what's even better? With a 10 kilowatt solar setup, you could charge your car for free. Most EVs can fully charge overnight or during a park day, meaning you will never be low on energy or stuck in fuel queues. Also, Zap offers range-extended EVs. These have petrol backup for long journeys or times when you don't have the time to charge. These cars can drive over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge plus tank. So you get the best of both worlds. The next big question is maintenance. How am I going to maintain the EV and who will supply the spares? Well, the truth is that EVs are way simpler than petrol cars. They've got only 20 or so moving parts versus over 1,500 in a petrol car. So much fewer things can go wrong. Also, this means fewer breakdowns, less hassle. And with Zap's partnership with Chinese service experts, we've got engineers in the country and spare parts stocked and ready. Also, spares for Chinese cars are good quality but way cheaper than their European counterparts. They are designed for the masses, whereas European car parts are designed for profit. So a part that may cost $600 on a Mercedes or Toyota will cost $200 with a Chinese brand. It will last as long and such parts will always be available. Finally, how much will I save with an EV? Loads. With EVs, your fuel costs drop by 70 to 80% and your maintenance costs by 50%. So, for a person with a Jeep, this can be over 10 million naira a year. So it's easy to see that you can save millions. In fact, the car may save you so much that it pays for itself. Now that's a win-win. There you have it, charging and maintenance made simple. Now, it's time for the final step, making the switch. Don't wait. Fuel prices are only going higher, and the future is electric. If you're ready to drive smarter, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone still on the fence. The future isn't waiting, and neither should you. Let's make Nigeria greener, one EV at a time.
Yeah.